Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best jigsaw tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel D-Handle Jigsaw bare tool. If you've been wrestling with a corded jigsaw that tethers you to an outlet, Milwaukee's cordless upgrade to the M18 Fuel D-Handle is worth serious attention. Here's the thing, this 18V brushless motor delivers real cutting power without the cord drama. Obviously, bare tools only make sense if you're already in Milwaukee's M18 ecosystem. If you are, you're fundamentally getting a premium jigsaw at a discount. It weighs just 16 ounces, cuts at 45 degrees, and handles metal with that included high-speed steel blade. This one's for you if freedom of movement actually matters on your job site. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dual 20VMAX Cordless Brushless Jigsaw. Looking for cordless jigsaw that consistently leads the pack? Here's the thing, DEWALT's DCS 334B earns that spot without breaking a sweat. You get a brushless motor pushing 3,200 strokes per minute, 4-position orbital action, and a variable speed dial that actually gives you control. Now, the all-metal lever action blade clamp means no fumbling with tools during swaps. Obviously, battery and charger aren't included, so factor that in. Weighing just 4.2 pounds with an integrated dust blower and LED light. This one's for you if you want professional grade cutting without the cord holding you back. Easy call. At number 3, we have the SKIL 6 AMP Corded Jig Saw. Tight budget, meet your budget corded pick. The SKIL JS314901 gets you a capable 6-amp jigsaw without draining your wallet. Now, here's the thing, you're getting 600 watts. 4 orbital settings, and a tool-free blade clamp that swaps blades in seconds. Obviously, it won't outlast a Bosch, but for occasional DIYers tackling wood and metal projects, it genuinely delivers. That halo light cuts shadows better than you'd expect at this price. You get 2 blades included, plus a dust-blowing switch keeping your cut line visible. If you need reliable without overspending, this one's yours. Grab it. At number 2, we have the SEESII cordless jigsaw tool. If cordless jigsaws feel overpriced for what you get, this value-packed 21V SEESII might change your mind. You're getting 2 2.0 batteries, 9 blades, a carrying bag, and a 3-year warranty bundled together. That's genuinely rare at this price. Here's the thing, 2,800 SPM with 4 orbital settings means you're cutting softwood fast or hardwood clean, depending on your project. The LED light keeps your cut line visible, and the quick-release blade system means you're swapping blades without fumbling. Obviously, it's not a pro-grade tool, but if you're a weekend warrior who hates cords, this one's yours. And finally, at number 1, we have the DEWALT 20VMAX Cordless Barrel Grip Jigsaw. Precision cuts in tight spaces demand a top-tier barrel grip jigsaw, and the DEWALT DCS 335B sits comfortably at that throne. Here's the thing, you're not just buying a jigsaw, you're buying a brushless motor, 3,200 SPM, and 4-position orbital action that handles delicate trim and aggressive cuts equally well. The keyless blade clamp and beveling shoe save you real time on site. That LED light and dust blower? Underrated. Now, this is bare tool only, so you'll need a 20V battery. Already in the DEWALT ecosystem? This one's obviously yours. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.